Hi, it's Sara Rayner from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm here with another quick tip. My tip today is how to do some partial masking so that you can actually mix and match your stamps. So I've used this technique on this card this week to just do the stem of this flower. So this flower is actually this one from the Lovely You, and I decided I didn't want the flower head, so that I could put the hearts around instead as the petals of my flower. So the way to do this is to get a post-it note. I've got one here that I've actually just cut into a few strips, and you want to stick that, use the sticky portion of the post-it and pop that over the flower head, making sure that none of the flower head is exposed. We've just got the stem exposed at the moment, and now we're going to ink that up. If you go off to the corner, then you don't need to use as much ink. And the main thing to do is to remember to then take the post-it off before you stamp. So I'm now going to just stamp that on my piece of card, and you can see that it has just stamped the stem. I can now go in with a different flower head if I want to. I'm using this one. Or you can just put the petals over the top, the hearts over the top if you prefer. So I'm just inking this flower head now, and I'll come over the top and just stamp that there. And there you've been able to mix and match different leaves and flower heads. And obviously you don't need to just use this for flowers. You can use it to split up your sentiments as well if you want. So if you wanted to, you could mask off part of your sentiment here, stamp part of it, and then stamp the other part, either a different colour, same colour, however you like. So I hope that that is a useful tip for you. Please subscribe to my channel for tips, new tips each week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks for stopping by.